I've got the subterranean level underneath my platform. And this is the upper, and then this would be the lower. So I have some speeders going on right now. And it just basically goes around the loop. There's the upper level here. And this is the final configuration with the super streets. And there's that part. Got some cheap trees from the dollar store, believe it or not. These are $1 a piece. They're not too bad. Got a whole bunch of those things to put around. Just recently acquired a set of MTH die-cast crossing signals. So we're going to be putting those up at the team. That's about it for now.